So, sa lahat ng um, nakakapanood, no, ibang content na naman. So, ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung merong may gustong curious ka na paano mag-edit sa phone kasi kadalasan yung iba nasa ano computer or PC nag-edit. So, sa pinakamadaling paraan, kahit saan, as long as carry mo yung phone mo, papakita ko sa inyo no watermark modded version. So, with different ano different tools. Yes. So, so guys, power director mode APK. So, download ka lang ng version. Ito mas older to, pero mas maganda yung bago, 16 hindi siya pwede. So ito APK mode, wag to, tayo ng latest. So ito guys, so pro version. So tignan mo lang yung mga hindi mo mabasa na letter. And if ever gusto mo i-download, ito, answer questions, no. What is the highest level of education you have achieved? Ito pala. Okay. So, preferred ko na. Okay. Yan. So, yun. Survey. So, ito, na-click natin yung ito download. So, click mo lang yung download. Proceed anyway. Okay, you can view again. Yun. So, yan guys, downloaded na yung Power Director. So, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo paano mag-edit. Okay. So, it's either okay, sorry guys sa sorry sa background again. Continue natin. Okay. So, dito, since I have the old versions of Power Director, so Power Director baka naman. So, you can subscribe to this application, and meron siyang AI Smart Tools and other samples like this one. So, meron siyang trending na mga samples na kung paano. So, easy lang. Click mo yung plus dito after ng setup. So, yun. Wait lang. Hanap ako ng gawa tayo ng ibang wait lang. Okay. So, eto. Yan. Pwede siya. Ito, naka-portrait. But if ever you would like to change it, gusto mo naman baguhin, so baguhin natin yung ratio or ito. Yan. So if ever you would like to change the ratio, yan. So okay. So image mo na yung in-upload ko. If ever gusto mo namang mag-add ng music, so ito ka, naka-music. So pwede mo siyang, meron siyang mga free music na mahanap. Creator, Meta AI generation. So yan, different music na lalabas. Yan, i-play natin. Ito.
Yum yum yum.
Yan.
Yum
So,
yum 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 yum.
so yun guys, yun yung mga sample ng music niya. Meron siyang overlay if ever you would like to add. Wait lang. If ever you would like to add some ito. If ever you would like to add some clip, you can do adjustment like this one. Yan, you can do adjustment. So photos and videos, and you can add text and auto captions, text speech if you'd like. And here, the editing duration, transformation effect, adjust background, enhance and transition. So tools, duplication, mask and portrait. So you can change whatever you like. It has also free sticker like this one. So trending, holiday, special, like that. AI magic, audio mixing and aspect ratio. So if you have questions, pwede ko bang i-adjust yung picture na sa taas pababa? Yes, pwede. Pwede mo siyang i-drag yan. And either you can do duplicate, adjust another. So it has different layers. This one. Yan. So marami siyang layer. Also including the music. Pwede ka mag-add ng different music and put it in different layer. So magkakasabay ba siyang tutunog? Depende. Pwede mo siyang pagsabayin, pwede mo siyang hindi. So you can cut, construct. So depende mo lang sa saan mo ipoposisyon. So if ever na gusto kong tanggalin yung audio ng isang bagay, so i-click mo lang yung may audio dyan, tapos may lalabas na logo na let's say ganito. I will add something like this one. So ito, lalagay ito, you can mute, volume, fade and fade out, audio mixing, this one. You can also adjust audio if you'd like. Okay, so ano pa ba? So in terms of exporting, so we have 4 types: 360p, 720p and 1000 to 4K Ultra HD. So in terms of uploading in social media, guys, like Facebook or YouTube, lahat naman ng platform is gumagamit ng 1K. If ever you would do 4K Ultra HD, so based on the platform, pag in-upload mo, like for example Facebook, so mag-a-adjust talaga yung quality ng video. So magiging 1K pa rin siya kahit 4K na yung in-upload mo. So depending on the platform that you are in. So can I adjust the standard quality, smooth frame, including frame rate. So frame rate, guys, maximum 60, minimum in 24. So yun, so sa pag-download, so lagay ko na lang yung link sa baba. So kayo na lang bahala mag-download. And yun, thank you and subscribe sa mga hindi pa naka-follow. So mag-upload pa tayo ng ibang video kasunod nito. So thank you guys.